Good morning, traders. It's Roberto. It is Tuesday, the 19th of October, and this lesson is trading daily charts. So I'm going to make a case why trading daily charts are very powerful and filters out noise on smaller time frames. Okay? So I'm using a smart trader platform which generates trend lines for me. And what I normally do is look for these key levels of support, resistance with trend lines. And when a trend line is broken and the body of a candle on a daily chart closes above or below, that's a buy or sell trigger. In this case, on the pound Japanese yen, we have a buy trigger on a daily chart. And look at the results of this trade. Started all the way down here at 151.56. And now it's at 157.10 area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of activity to the uptrend. Okay, let's look at Euro Japanese yen. The first trend line break was here. The body of the candle, notice closing above, enter a trade on the next candle, exit at the next trend line, and then it continues, resumes its uptrend, breaks that, and then you could have re-entered on this candle, and it continues to rally. So I'm just going to show you a few of these how, and this week was very unusual. There was a strong rally on all the yen crosses. Here's another one on Aussie yen, closed above the trend line, and then for about 2 days it just stalled out, but then it resumes its uptrend, breaking that trend line, and then continue to rally. A couple of trades that we took. Euro Aussie, okay. Now I do have a trade signal to sell this below. We took this trade from all the way up here on this head and shoulder pattern, broke the trend line here, continued for about a week, and we're still waiting for, I'm still in this trade, but I'm waiting for the next trade signal, which I will send out below that 155.87 level, target that 154, all the way down here. Excuse me. Lucia, the same thing. We have this trend line and a nice symmetrical triangle. Body of the candle closes above, and there it is. Okay, so if you want to filter out noise on a smaller time frames, look at a daily chart. And it does take a lot of patience because you do need to wait for trend line breaks. There's one trade set up right now on Aussie CAD. Notice what we have is what is called a King's Crown, an inverted King's Crown where price shot down, then turned around and went north, and we have this neckline here, waiting for the neckline to close, price to close above the neckline, the next buying opportunity. Here's another trade on Euro, New Zealand dollar. We had two trend lines. The first one here, price breaks below, closes below the trend line, then another trend line was generated, body of the candle closes below, you would have entered your trade on the next candle. That would have generated, over 180 pips. And this thing is still heading south, so we're going to wait for the next selling opportunities. Completely oversold, waiting for some sort of pullback and then sell it again. That's it for the daily chart trading strategy. If you have any questions, just email me. If you'd like to take your trading to the next level, I do offer private coaching sessions. Just go to the website, all the information there. Have a good trading week. Thanks for watching.